Hi, everybody. Welcome to your digital learning day. So you finished the test yesterday, and we're going to be starting our new unit, which is Structural Geology B. So by the end of this, the questions you should be able to answer are, you can explain what is continental drift. So basically how Earth changes over long periods of times compared to, like day-to-day changes. And what evidence do we have that support that? Now, some of that we've already seen with earthquakes, and we're going to be tying that in to this unit when we get into volcanoes. You can explain how the tectonic plates move, what's a divergent, convergent, and strike slip, which again, this should be a review. I know the theory of plate tectonics. Who is Harry Hess and what role did he play in that? And how do we really know and see where plates move? You can differentiate between those boundaries. So what's a subduction versus divergent zone? Which is under tension and which is under compression, in other words, which is being squished and which is being pulled apart. You can look at how volcanoes form. Where are they going to form? What are the three types? And what's the difference between a hot spot and a subduction zone volcano? So if we take a quick look in here, because as always, you should be clicking on the folders, not just flipping down, because you get more information that way. And let's see if we can get this to load. There we go. We are on day 1, and you're going to do some continental drift and seafloor spreading notes, and then you've got 2 quizzes. These are more like practice for the ACT or anything else. Basically, I'm giving you a reading, you're getting a question straight from it, and then you can go ahead and count those as quizzes. This right here, this is your handy dandy Ed puzzle. This is the one you need to do for credit for attendance. This is the one that has my face on it. I'm going through the notes with you. These are the notes. You might want to have these notes up at the same time because this is also actually an assignment. Because in here, as we go through the notes and we get a little farther down, and down and down and down, and we scroll, you're going to see some questions, and those questions need to be answered. You'll answer a few on Edpuzzle, and if there's some of these videos, that's fine. But basically, it's 2 short answer questions. What is continental drift? And does the Earth's magnetic field flip? So those are the 2 questions you need to answer. At the end of the Edpuzzle, go into this assignment and write your essays here, because I'm not going to read them on an Edpuzzle, but I will read them here. Then as you go back out into today 1, you're going to see that we do have these 2 quick continental drift and theory of plate tectonics quizzes, assignments, whatever you want to call them. They're practice. If you don't get these done today, you should spend 48 minutes on my class. That's fine. You can work on those on Friday in class, but if you can get them done in 48 minutes, that's great. You're just working ahead and giving yourself less work to do later. That's the end of this video. Just hit yes, you're complete, and this one is done. But again, it's this continental drift and seafloor spreading notes. That's the one that needs to be submitted to have attendance done for the day. I hope you guys have an absolutely fabulous day, and I will see you on Friday.